Now to a developing story, a tractor trailer hit by a Long Island Railroad train. CBSN New York's Carolyn Gusoff is at the scene in Farmingdale with the very latest. Carolyn.
Dick, good evening. Everyone agrees this could have been much worse. A train versus a tractor trailer and no injuries. It doesn't usually end that way. This happened at about 5:41. Take a look at very dramatic cell phone video shot just seconds after the impact of a train hitting a tractor trailer here at the Long Island Railroad crossing at Merrits Road. It's between Farmingdale and Bethpage. This was a packed rush hour train out of Penn Station. Witnesses at a next door pizza parlor tell us that the tractor trailer, the truck, was essentially stuck on the tracks. The gates started to come down. He's honking his horn and cannot back up because a car behind him either wouldn't move or couldn't move. As a result, there was this impact with the train and the truck. Remarkably, no injuries. The fire chief tells us that the driver of the tractor trailer jumped out just seconds before, and the conductor, both of them refused medical attention. Witnesses, though, say it was quite frightening.
Heard the horn from the truck blowing, and just saying like, oh, why doesn't he back up? And before we knew it, we heard the signal for the train, the ding, 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 ding. And then the train just came barreling like right into the truck, and I couldn't even look away. It was almost like, am I really seeing this?
Normally when you have a train versus any type of vehicle, it's the vehicles normally don't win, and normally you see the train conductor, you gets either seriously hurt, and the operator of the vehicle normally gets seriously hurt or killed as well. So we're very fortunate that only the two people that were basically in charge of the whole thing refused medical attention.
And one of those people, the driver of the tractor trailer, we asked him for comment. He said no comment at this time. He walked away from us. Passengers on the train tell us that they barely felt anything. There was an announcement that the train had nicked, quote, nicked a vehicle, but there was really no rattling on the train, nobody hurt. There was some anger on the train, and they obviously had to sit there for quite some time until they were offloaded. You can see now behind me, back live, their train is gone. It was, even though it was damaged, it was moved with passengers on it off to Farmingdale. Others that were going further east towards Ronkonkoma were taken to a rescue train and on their way, very lucky, to be safe and sound tonight. Reporting live from Farmingdale, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBSN, New York.